Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. Buying our developer use versions will get you the entire source code and also allow you to include the template as part of a larger project and customize the database down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. If you don't like the way something works, or want a new feature to be added, or anything of that sort, well, contact customer service. Hopefully they'll get to it in the next update. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want. And applications can be customized to your heart's content by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. If you don't have this expertise, or know someone who does, Winning Solutions can make any customizations you like, or perhaps build a brand new system from scratch. With Microsoft Access, nothing is ever impossible. If you need it, we can make it happen. Just contact us for a quote. These days, there is understandably a big push for mobile and web-based apps. If that meets your needs better, then we could do that for you too. But Access continues to be a popular tool because it's included with some versions of Microsoft Office, is relatively inexpensive, and is easy to work with for people with limited programming knowledge. So let's take a look at the Desktop Business Account Ledger database. We've already got this unzipped, so we'll open it up. And first, let's go to Maintain Lists. Now, this is for entering any type of ledger items, income or expense. So you can add any of those categories here, and you can enter them as an income or an expense. Of course, you can type in any name here. I'm going to leave this list as is. It'll do for demonstration purposes. Now let's look at transactions. Now we can search transactions by title, by number, category, amount of the transaction. Any combination of boxes that are checked here will be searched for, those fields will be searched for. So right now there's not much in there, but we'll go ahead but we have one deposit here, right? You could do an exact match or partial match. If we did, for example, amount and searched for $33, we'll see, there you go. And we all have match as you type. So if we did put match as you type, search for 50 amount, and we get the other one. But let's go ahead and add a new transaction. And the category box, well, this is all the things we entered in that maintenance screen earlier. So you can add items, or you can even add lists. The thing about the full paid version is it's infinitely customizable. So this, templates are generally meant to be expanded upon and or imported into a larger application. So what you see is not necessarily what you're limited to. So let's just enter, let's say, expense for, what are the categories here? IT consulting fee for September. Whatever. Okay, let's give it an entry number here, a transaction amount, and we're going to enter the date, enter today's date. That's fine. And then that's it. We're ready to save the record, and you could do that by save and add new, or just by going to the next record here. And then we go back, and the record is still there. So we can go back to the search menu. So now we can go back and search, and we can see the fee that was just put in there, the entry that we just put in. And of course, we could do reports on these as well, account transactions. And these reports, again, are a bit vanilla looking, but again, it's meant to be, I can't stress this enough, this is meant to be expanded upon. You can add your logo and remove categories in here. We can, you can make this as fancy as you need, or if you know someone who knows Access, they could do it, or, if you hire us to, that's another way we do business, is we can certainly update this and customize it for you too if you want. Or you may find that it's usable outside of the box, out of the box. So that's a quick look at the Desktop Business Account Ledger database. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more great videos, more goodies, more tutorials, and all sorts of other nice stuff. All right, thanks again for watching, and have a great day.